Isa-isa nang tinutuntun ngayon ng Philippine National Police ang mga lugar at taong kinausap umano ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa.
All possible leads, all informations we are pursuing, and the Philippine National Police is pursuing either minute, whether ito ay kausap, known address, known whereabouts, at lagi niyang pinupuntahan, kinakausap niya ay ating pinupursu.
All informations that are coming in are being validated. There will be no stone left unturned.
We have already transmitted the records to the Department of Justice. So tanungin niyo ang Department of Justice kung ano ang maipapile at sino ang kanilang maipapailan, sino ang karapat-dapat na usigin. Our duty there is to get the physical evidence or pieces of evidence that makakatulong sa kanilang prosecution.